Hello friends, welcome to this video on Python programming, and in this video we are going to take a look at how we can print two strings, okay, or basically any two objects in Python without giving a new line. So what usually happens is, let me give you an example. Suppose we have to print a string, let's say good, and let's say we have another string using print, let's say morning. Okay, so as you see we have two, okay, printf I have given print. So we have two strings, okay, one is good and the other one is morning. Let us save our program and let us run it. So you see good is getting printed on one line and morning is getting printed on the second line. So why is this happening? So that is because the print function, okay, in Python, okay, is taking one more parameter. So this is of course the string parameter that you are giving to it inside double quotes, but there's one more parameter, okay, which is end. So if you set the value of this parameter, okay, to something, so suppose I set the value, okay, to a space. So I have given a space here, okay, and let me save it, command S, and let me run it. So you see that now good and morning, they are getting printed on the same line. So both the strings got printed on the same line. So in Python, the this parameter end, right? So that it is initialized with a new line. Default is new line. So every time you're going to print any statement, it is going to be printed on a new line. But if you want to change this default behavior, then you have to change the value of this end parameter, and you can set it to any value. So for example, if I set it to new line, okay, \n, and I save my program, command S, and I run it. So now you see good and morning, they are getting printed on separate lines because I have given the new line, okay, as the separator. So this end parameter you can set to anything, and that will be used as a separator for the two printf. So so let's give it as a comma, okay. So let us save our program now, command S, and let's run it. So you see good, comma, morning, okay. So the separator, the end value, the end parameter is comma, so it's printing good, comma, morning. So whatever you give inside this end parameter, that will be printed. So this is one way, okay, you can print strings, okay, without going to the new line. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.